Hey guys, what's up? Dipanshu Parasha this side. You are again watching the Cyber Agents live over YouTube, and now once again I am really sorry that this video is a bit slow, or is this a bit like I am actually making out a YouTube video after so long. It's almost like 2 weeks back, I guess. But anyhow, this video would be worth of it. And as I have previously explained in the video that was regarding the anonymization level of VPNs, if you have not yet watched that particular video, you must be receiving the suggestion in this I button. You should go there, you should actually watch that video, because there I explained a lot about which is the best VPN to use by cybersecurity researchers, to use by anyone who actually wants to anonymize, or who actually wants to reduce the footprints over internet. In this previous video I explained about Tuxtler VPN. That is one of the best VPN I have been using, a completely free VPN. And in this particular video, as I have explained you, and I promised you in the previous video that I will be coming with a practical part, where in this video today we will be discussing about how VPNs can be categorized on the basis of anonymization, and we would be exploring it out completely practical. So without any delay, just let's jump into my computer screen or my laptop screen, and let's figure it out how Tuxtler VPN is more better than that, and how you can yourself categorize that how much you are anonymized over internet, whether Google is able to track you or not. So just now let's figure it out. And anyhow, if you are new, if you are just seeing me first time, if you are new to this YouTube channel, don't forget to turn that particular red subscribe button into gray. Don't forget to press the bell notification to receive out any tech information, to receive out any tech communication regarding cybersecurity, artificial intelligence and blockchain. Just receive out the notification, turn out that particular bloody hell red subscribe button into gray, and then let's start. So hey guys, I am just again welcoming you in this my laptop screen, and today what we will be gonna discussing about is, we will be showing up the complete practical video on anonymization, like how anonymization of VPNs. Since I have already explained you in the previous video that how VPNs are actually working, what are IPs and hidden IPs, how to hide your IPs using VPN. But in this video, as I have promised you, I will be coming with an complete explanation that why VPNs are also having categories, why VPNs have categories. Okay, so now, since to be very frank guys, VPNs are not usually of a single type. You must have heard about NordVPN, then you must have heard about Proton VPN, that there are more of the plugins as well, or the extensions as well, which are used in the browsers. But we will be using here two major VPNs. Okay, now why I actually want to do this particular practical, that is because there is a possibility that you might be using any kind of a good VPN. You think that I have paid for this VPN and it would be definitely helping me to hide my own IP and will anonymize me. I can surf on internet anonymously. There is a possibility that it is fake. Okay, so there is a possibility that this VPN is not secure. Okay, in another video definitely I will be coming with something protocols of VPN, that which protocols of VPN, that what kind of an protocols does VPN use. This actually includes PP2P and then L2TP. This is known as point to point tunneling protocol, and then layer 2 tunneling protocol. So we will definitely be discussing about that as well. But in this video I have told you that Tuxtler VPN is the best free VPN I have ever came across. Okay, so why I am writing this, that this should be like something so familiar with you all. And since you are also since you can also see, I am using Tuxtler free residential VPN. Guys, I need to explain you one thing. I just need to don't save. I am again opening out a new notepad. How VPNs are actually working, I just need to explain you within a single minute how VPNs are working. These are actually getting IPs. Okay, these are actually getting IPs, a lot of IPs, and then they mask your original IP. Okay, they are masking your original IP. So sorry, my mistake. Original IP. Okay, now what happens is, IPs you can consider broadly, since you are a newbie. If you are watching this, I am considering you that your knowledge in VPNs is zero, and that's why I am starting it with a complete initial level. Otherwise, you might be aware that IPs are of different classes. There are 5 classes of that, and but I am not actually getting into that technical. I will be coming on the classes of IP on the next video, where I will be including the protocols of VPNs as well. Till then, you can consider IPs are of two types. Okay, the first thing is professional. This is to just explain you, this is not a kind of a good theory, but IPs of professional and then residential. These residential IPs are actually lie between 198.12 and anything, but its first octet is starting from 198, and other the professional IPs are any IPs between 1 to 254, but expecting 200 and 198 to 224. So the class of IP which actually lies between 198 to 224, these are considered as residential IPs. Okay, so these residential IPs are somewhat which are usually used by a lot of people in India, a lot of people globally, but these professional IPs are something which is dedicated for VPNs. What happening is that a lot of more VPNs which can be NordVPN, you must be aware of that, you are aware of that, Proton VPN. These are actually using professional IPs, but Tuxtler is someone which is using residential IP. Now we will check how to actually check the anonymization. I will be using two VPNs here. Okay, I will be using two VPNs. The first one will be a normal extension. Okay, let's jump directly into that. And the second one will be Tuxtler, and will be actually practically showing how I managed to get the anonymization success. Okay, so let's directly jump into that. I just simply in front of you opened my Google Chrome. I just simply entered google.com. Okay, now there is a website, guys. I have already told you whoer.net, whoer.net. I simply visited this website. This is the website. If you can actually fool this website, this is something which tells your IP, which tells your host name, which your OS, your browser, your proxy, your anonymizer. Either you are blocklisted by any browser or not, and then your country by just with your name and your ISP. Okay, so now what I just want to make you aware with this is, let's check this. So now since I am not right now using any kind of an VPN, so what I will do, since you can see proxy, what proxy is there, these are also considered as a kind of, just for you, it can also be considered as an VPN. It's basically a kind of an point or a kind of an technology which we are utilizing to connect with our browser, but with a different mask, right? We are just hiding up our own IPs and using this. Okay, so this is a proxy, and this is showing right now no, that I am not using any proxy. Okay, then it comes to anonymizer. Guys, this is the best facility which Hoover.net provides. This is a website which tells that whether Google has detected your VPN or not. Okay, that whether Google is actually tracking you up or not. Okay, this is a kind of a bar which can actually just tell you that you are 80% anonymized on internet. But since we are not using anything, now what I am just doing, I just switched to this VPN. This is a setup VPN. Okay, and this is simply a kind of a free extension which you can just got from the Google Chrome browser web store. I just connected to Netherlands. Okay, let's check it. Now see, I again refresh this website. Now I'm connected to the Netherlands. See, my ISP has changed to DigitalOcean. Okay, country has changed to Netherlands. Proxy, no, but see this, I am using anonymizer. This website is showing me that I am actually using anonymizer. This means that Google is right now tracking that yes, Dipanshu's laptop from which I am recording this screen, this particular stuff is actually on anonymization mode. That's how right now even my original IP is visible to Google. But now what I will be just going to do is, I first let me disconnect this, and I simply just hoover.net. I again refreshed it, and you would be able to see that now its anonymizer is no, and my country would be again shifted to India, and this is my original IP, since I am not utilizing any kind of an VPN right now. Now I will be using another VPN, my favorite Tuxtler VPN. You can simply just download it. As you can see, We have just directly changed to this particular stuff, Indian. Now tuxler.com, you just need to go to this website. You can simply download it. Let me tell you how you can just download it. Download Tuxler for free. I have already downloaded it. So as you can see over in my text taskbar, there is a Tuxler VPN end-to-end encryption. You can read a lot of more stuff about Tuxler, how, why I am actually telling this for free. There is a Chrome extension as well. There is Windows Computer. I will prefer you to download Windows Computer. If you are, or if you actually want to do it on Mac computers, then it is also available for Mac as well as for Android apps as well. Okay, so I just, let me close that. Now I opened my Tuxler VPN. Okay, and here the Tuxler VPN, it has very simple interface, no fancy such like Proton and all, but this is a very basic kind of an interface. I just simply switch it to on, IP changing on. Okay, and done. Boom. Okay, now let me again refresh this. It would be taking a bit time since Tuxler is utilizing residential IPs. Just see, right now anonymizer is no, the country has successfully changed, proxy is no, and best part is anonymizer is no. That means that Google is right now even considering that my particular this IP is a residential IP, and this particular IP is very original, very authenticated, very legitimated, and this how I can actually fool out Google that yes, my original IP is this. So once again guys, this is what I actually wanted to show you, that Tuxler VPN and how you can check your anonymization power using Hoover.net. Now let me shift it to my original IP. I'm back again in India. And guys, once again, so if you haven't yet subscribed our YouTube channel, so that's really bad if you haven't done that. And I would be just appealing you that just search over YouTube the Cyber Agents. The first link will be yours. We are very close to our 300 subscribers. Just let it done in this particular part and just subscribe it. Don't forget, you can actually get to know a lot of more videos about this. You can actually get to learn a lot of more content which I will be definitely posting in the upcoming days as well. So once again guys, let's meet in another video, and do comment out your views, whatever your queries are. I am actually very familiar on YouTube. I will be definitely replying you back all the comments, and don't forget even to get me in touch with over any kind of a social media handle which are listed on the channel art, and let's connect over there. Once again, thank you so much guys.